What's going on, guys? Dave here with the Honda Ruckus NPS50, also known as a Zoomer 50. I've got a few videos up on just doing basic services and maintenance to this little thing. So check out our previous videos on that, and I'll also have a playlist link showing throughout the video and up in the corner, as well as the end of the video. We'll have a thumbnail for other videos relating to this little bike. Here we're just going to remove the air filter, and it's on the left side here, just above the Kickstarter, right here. Now you may want to get you can use a regular Phillips head screwdriver, but these are embedded in plastic, so they're a little bit difficult to remove. So you may want to use a drill or a T-handle type of wrench. Personally, I like T-handle sockets and Phillips heads, because they're good to get leverage on, so you can push in on them real firm. But anyway, whatever Phillips head you want, I'm just going to use my little drill real quick. I've already removed a couple of them. So these little guys pop right off. There are 5 of them all the way around. Then just pull her straight off, and there it is. Just pull it out like this. And if you want to clean out this area, you have some contact cleaner and a rag. Maybe blow it out with compressed air. Same on the inside of the cover here. Just clean it all out before you put it back in. And I'll put a link in the description for the OEM part number, as far as the Honda part number for the filter, and where you can get it on Amazon. You'll see that in any of my videos working on this bike, like if I have either special tools or the parts themselves, I'll always put an Amazon link in the description and the comments so you can get them. So look for those whenever you're watching these videos. And then to put her back on, just make sure you line everything up properly as far as your screws, like so. Now you don't want to over torque them for sure, because these are plastic. So turn them back down to about probably 4 foot-pounds or so, like so, and you'll put those around the side. Then check them with your wrench. Make sure they're snug but not crazy. And that's all there is to it. Very simple. The little Ruckus is a great little scooter. It's 49cc, so especially in the state of Georgia, it's not required to have registration or a tag, that sort of thing. But you do have to have a driver's license to operate one of these, and you only need to you can only drive them on roads that have 35 mile per hour zones or less. Now it may be different from where you live, but that's how it is in the state of Georgia. And this thing will go about 40 miles per hour or so with stock configuration, so it's not really a bullet fast little thing, but it's not supposed to be either. Totally awesome though. Check out other videos on doing little services and replacing bodywork up front, and how to do little things to it, spark plug, oil change, all that stuff. And check out our channel for other stuff too. We're doing all kinds of videos with other vehicles, motorcycles, cars, dirt bikes, Harley Davidsons, YZ250s, YZ85s, Gold Wings, Chevy trucks, Hummer H3s, Cadillac ATS-V, Mustangs, Ford Tauruses. We got all kinds of stuff on the channel. And look for us on eBay and Amazon under Horsepower House. So just Google us. We got specialty tools, magnetic drain plugs, clutch holders, flywheel pullers, just cool stuff that if you work on your own vehicle, our eBay and Amazon store is a good place to look. That's it. Y'all have a great day. About to go riding. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you.